What's up, folks? It is about 8:30, pitch black outside, which is pretty crazy because it's only 8:30. Unfortunately for us, we just had a propane line fail. Luckily, it's a rubber one. Unfortunately, I don't have any hose clamps, and we have to make an emergency run into town because I don't feel like dealing with leaky propane. The glories of off-grid van life. Show you guys a little bit of the damage here. So this line runs into here, which is just a T, so we can put a different propane tank on there. And unfortunately, this old brittle hose developed a leak right at the base of it there. Here it is on the table, all ripped apart. And it's a solid piece where that connector was, so if I just put a hose clamp on that hose, it should be good. Alright, folks, wish us luck. Alright, guys, we are back from Meyer. 9:30 at night now. Got some hose clamps.
Do you need me to hold something? Here we are, we're back. He is tightening down this hose clamp. Hopefully this works.
For real. Alright.
We're out of options tonight.
Let's see what
So
we got going on here. And here's the end result, folks. Old stiff cable gave us a little bit of issues, but with some boiling water, we softened it up and got that hose clamp right on there. Well, thanks for joining us for the luxuries of van life with Sarah and Luke.
yeah, nomadic dreams.
Yep. Have a good night, guys.
See ya.